I promised to show you some additional tapping points, and this one is called the 9-point gamut procedure. And what we do is we go through 9 points, tapping on the fingers and the thumb and the gamut point, which I'm going to show you, and then we're going to do a process moving the eyes in a certain direction. The whole thing is going to seem very strange. It's going to probably look a bit more weird even than the tapping sessions we've already done, but it's very effective. And you would use this process when you were tapping on anything. If you wanted to use the longer version, and sometimes the longer version does add weight to the shorter version, so if you want to make sure you're covering all the points, you can include this in the process. It's not absolutely necessary, but it does really help. So the nine gamut process, well, let me just tell you where the gamut point is first of all. That's this point here, which is often called the triple warmer point, and it's the indentation between the little finger and the ring finger. And if you just put your finger here, you'll find a little indentation. That's the place. You can either rub it or tap it, and what we're going to do is to combine that with the other processes. So we would put that in once we'd done the 2 rounds of tapping on what we would call the negative. So if you remember, we would tap here on the karate chop 3 times, we would say our acceptance statement, then we would go to the top of the head, and I'm going to go round very quickly, and we go around all the points, and then we'd do another round, wouldn't we, of the negative. And then we go around here like that again, completing the process, and then we do this 9 gamut. So I'm just going to go through it with you now, and then we'll repeat it again so that you know exactly what we're going to do. So we start by tapping on the thumb, and it's this point here where the side of the nail meets the nail bed and meets the skin of your thumb, and it's nearest to you when you're holding your hand like this. We just need one finger, it doesn't matter which one. We're just going to tap on that. So in that process, we would, if we were using our example of anxiety or worry, we would say this anxiety, this worry. This anxiety, this worry. We're moving to the first finger now. Again, the side of the nail. This anxiety, this worry. This anxiety, this worry. You'll notice that I've missed out the ring finger, because we're going to come back to it. And then we're going to go to the side of the hand. We're going to tap the karate chop again, and then we're going to go to the gamut, and we're just going to tap there, and we'll still be saying the reminder phrase, this anxiety, this worry. And then we're going to do something that will look even stranger. We're going to close our eyes, open them, look right the way up without moving our head, look sharp down, over to the right, sharp to the right, over to the left, sharp left, and then we're going to roll our eyes all the way around as though we're rolling them round a clock. And then we're going to go back anti-clockwise, back the other way, roll the eyes all the way around, back again. Then we're going to hum. It can be any familiar tune. The usual one is Happy Birthday, but if you don't want to do that, just pick another one. So we're going to hum, and then we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to hum again, and then we're going to go around again. And we're going to just tap on the points again as we did before, either continuing to tap on the negative if we need to, or putting in some positives if we're ready to. And then we take our deep breath and breathe out again. So that's adding that process to the whole thing. So I'm just going to go around for you again, just to make sure that you know. So we do the 2 rounds on the negative. After that, we come to the hands. Going to tap on the thumb. This anxiety, this worry. This anxiety, this worry. This anxiety, this worry. little finger, this anxiety, this worry, side of hand, we're back on the karate chop again, this anxiety, this worry, gamut point, tapping there, this anxiety, this worry. We're going to close our eyes, open our eyes, look up, look all the way down, sharp right, sharp left, trying not to move the head. We're going to take the eyes all the way around, all the way back again. We're going to hum 1 2 3 4 5 then we're going to go round again. Okay, take a deep breath and let it go again. And now what we're going to do is just explain a little bit about why we hum and why we count. It's to do with balancing the brain, and when we're humming we're focusing on the right brain, and when we're counting, left brain, and the eye movements do the same, and this is to bring about more balance and harmony for us. So strange looking things but really effective, so you might like to try that in your process. Okay.